Hi, everybody. This is Deborah Morris with Deborah Morris Home Team, Keller Williams Advantage Realty. I have Carmen Prieto from Seacoast Bank here to share a little bit about what's going on lender-wise with the market, because there's a lot of questions going on. So I figured to get somebody dependable that can answer possibly some questions for you. So Carmen, what have you been seeing lately that we need to share with everybody?
The big concern I'm getting right now when people are doing pre-approvals and they're asking to see what the rates are is that rates are climbing a little bit. And by a little bit, I mean like they've gone up 0.5%. Really, last year, at the end of the year, I would say November, we were doing, still 2.875. And now we're seeing about a 3.25, which honestly isn't changing the payments that much. But rental prices are going up and housing prices are not going down yet. So you can still lock in a really great rate right now that is under 4%. And historically, that's still fantastic.
But it had you do some math real quickly. So let's just say it's a 300, I'm going to say easy multiplication for $300,000 house. If it goes up a percentage on, of course, I know there's taxes and insurance, all variables and stuff like that. Approximately what's the difference in that monthly payment?
I'll pull it right now and tell you, because that's a really good comparison so that people can see exactly what the comparison is from right now, like a 3.25 or 3.375, I think I have locked in right now, and a 4.0. Give me 1 second, I'll pull that up for you.
They were saying that the rates are going to go up 3 times this year, so we don't know what that's going to be.
We don't know when it's going to happen, and it sneaks up on you because it goes up like not even 0.25%. It goes up 1/8% at a time, and it just slowly trickles up, and we just get comfortable, and then all of a sudden, boom, we're going to be at like 4%, and you're looking back, going, "What happened?" Okay, so
prices. I keep hearing people saying, "Hey, my rent's going to be going up to $300 a month." So when you compare these interest rates going up a little bit and comparing, okay, I can get this, and then even if it goes up 0.25% or 0.5%, my numbers are still cheaper buying a house than a rental. That's why I figured let's just compare numbers to give people a perspective.
So I have one. Sales price is $380,000. We're doing the loan amount at $361,000. At 3.375, you're looking at a loan payment of $1,595.96. At 4%, you're looking at a payment of $1,723.46. So it's not even $200 more. And I think that we get a little bit scared when we hear 4%, but it's not changing the payment too much. So let's stay at the 3.375 we have now, and don't wait for it to get to 4%, because honestly speaking, where you see the big difference is if you calculate it over 30 years. On a monthly basis, you're not really seeing it. Let's compare it to a 2.875, which is what we were seeing before. And people are saying the rates are going up too much. So at 2.875 versus 3.375, the payment difference is less than $100.
So, you think not the average person is not going to keep their house for 30 years. So what
Correct.
you're talking about is, what am I looking at as far as a monthly payment, knowing that I'm building equity in a house that I can ultimately have enough equity to do other things with, whether it's buy an investment property or, do some renovations or things like that, or pay off some debt. So there's a lot of benefits. I am going to talk to you more about things next week. How's that? So
sounds good.
Post this tonight, and if everybody that is looking on YouTube looks on this again next Tuesday afternoon, we'll continue this conversation. Otherwise, if they have any questions between now and then, how do they reach you?
You can reach me on my cell phone at 407-637-6442, or on my email at carmen.prieto@seacoastbank.com. Thanks so much, Deborah.
You're welcome. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.
Sounds good. Bye.